Mom.
Baby, it's been such a long time.
I miss you so much. Why you put the phone there?
So we can record ourselves. I missed you.
How long?
What? How long has it been since I haven't seen you?
Like 2 weeks.
Did you miss me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
You want to read this note? Wait a minute. No, don't touch the phone. You want to read the note?
No.
In Spanish. Can you read this in Spanish?
Okay.
And you can open your present.
I don't know. I can't read it.
No, use your phonics. 1, 2, 3, go. Puedes.
Puedes see mi papá. Can you be my daddy?
What do you think is inside?
Something you have to put a zipper.
Seriously.
Pedro! Mama! Pedro, Ben. Come on, smell me. Yeah, good, Pedro.
Perro, no perro. Come here. Sit over here. Sit over here. So what do you think this is, Gabby? What do you think this is? Sit down.
Son.
So do you think he's your doggy now?
And your doggy.
Can he be your baby?
You love him so much. Besos.
He speaks Spanish.
Only Spanish?
He's gonna speak two languages. Like you. Okay. I love you.
Ay, no, ay, perro. Ay, perro. Ay, perro. Perro. Perro, ven aquí. What should we name him?
His name is Little Louie.
Seriously, that's his really name?
Mm-hmm.
What's so sad? I want to show him this.
He saw him already. So you happy?
Wait, you told him not to move? Like, no matter. Let's see what Mommy got.
There's another bag here. Gabby? Gabby?
Okay. Oh, sweet. Oh, good. Okay. How do you even eat this food? Hey, cool, Mommy got you.
Look.
Look at sweet guys. You look.
He's a little puppy. He's only 4 months old.
Yeah.
So are you going to take care of him like your own baby?
Mm-hmm.
Is Gabby happy?
Yeah. Well, is he trained?
Yeah, Uncle Sal was training him. Look. Throw the ball at him.
Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me the ball. Give me the... Hey,
Drop it.
drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Good doggy. Good doggy. Who wants a biscuit? I said I don't know what's going on with the biscuits. Mama, what's wrong with the biscuits? Is this a biscuit? Huh?
Mm-hmm. But you have to give him when he does something nice.
Yeah. Okay? So you need to own it? Or want to what? Want to go what? I want this. Oh my god. He's so wild. He's just his new home.
He's so cute.
I should get shot teeth for my yard. For my yard. I can't get it. Oh, dogs love these, right? Thank you.
Hmm?
Oh, it's stuck on his teeth. Come on, no, give it.